Okay, two similar springs were used to push two similar balls up to ramps made of the same material. Everything is the same, just that setup B is steeper than setup A, right? So the metal ball in setup A could reach the top, but not the metal ball. Give a reason why the metal ball in setup A was able to reach the top of the ramp. Well, if you say that setup A is what do you call that? Gentler slope than setup B. That could be the answer, but that is actually really given in the question. Alright, so you need more than that. Alright, you need more than to just state the obvious that the ramp here is steeper than the ramp in A. Alright, so what you could write is actually writing it in terms of energy conversion. So you can see that the elastic force, spring force in setup A, right? In setup A is large enough to overcome the gravitational force and the frictional force acting on the ball. Okay, so the elastic potential force here is higher than the gravitational force and the frictional force acting together. All right, whereas in setup B, it is unable to overcome the gravitational force. Now suggest what must be done to the same setup, to the same spring in metal in B, so that this one can also reach the end. Well, there's no other answers here. I know that it is very tempting to say change the spring to a stronger one, but it doesn't say so here. See, because just what must be done to the same spring. So if it's the same spring, the only way is to compress the spring further. So what you could write is perhaps this answer here: compress the spring even more by pulling the spring backwards even further than the first attempt. Perhaps the first time when it tried, the spring was not fully uh, pressed back. So, uh, to make it go even higher, you must compress the spring more by pulling the spring backwards even further. Okay, so that I think very simple answers to very simple question. It has got to do with elastic spring force by the spring overcoming gravitational force and frictional force. Alright, so if you are able to apply elastic spring force here in the spring, apply the concept to this question and how you can overcome gravitational force and frictional force, and this would become a very easy question.